Hey guys, and welcome back to Vesterålen. We have had a couple of very intense days here with a big blizzard passing through, lots of work on the tractor, and just been very busy trying to keep up with the snow. Today it's calm, nice. We have cleaned up all the mess that the wind made. I have had many hours working with the snowblower and the bucket. At some point I were a little bit concerned about if I were able to keep up with only the 50 horsepower Lovol tractor, but it turned out just fine. I made some good experiences the last days. In total I'm satisfied with how impressive this little tractor have been during these last days. So I have shot a few clips from this morning's work and put together. I started up the tractor at 5:30 this morning, and lucky for me the temperature was still below zero. If the temperature rises to above 0 degrees, the snow gets much heavier, and that could have caused problems for me because there have been so much snow piling up on the driveways during this storm. At this place, the snow has piled up to above 1 meter in height. The snow is very, very hard, and you can compare it with wet sand. Crushing the piles of snow with the bucket first and then drive with the snowblower is a good way to get rid of the snow faster and easier. some places where the snow is very compressed and hard to get through. I drive in second gear low with approx 2000 RPMs. Okay, so that was an update from Vesterålen. If you like this type of stuff, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share them with your friends. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.